Welcome to Tesla Vision. Today, we're talking about the most recent Tesla news and updates. Let's get into it right away. There has been a lot of different news going on about the $1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase by Tesla, where many investors have pulled out their shares from the company. Many keep on perceiving quite a bright future for Elon Musk's enterprise. Tasha Keeney from ARK Invest has come forward to share her optimistic views about the move. She thinks that this is a move by Tesla to access multiple markets and make sure that transactions are conducted in a way much smoother than ever before. As the company is working across the globe and with a number of different currencies, making transactions while keeping exchange rates in view will not be a concern anymore. Using the Bitcoin as a form of corporate cash is just a way to make its global presence even more dominant. Tesla can also accept cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Dogecoin as a form of payment for their vehicles shortly. This move also makes sense as Tesla is planning to operate the robotaxi fleet instead of setting up different prices in different regions according to their currencies and exchange rates. Tesla can use cryptocurrency as a standard and universal form of payment. Using and buying Bitcoin is not a very unorthodox move in present times, as several governments have legalized its use and many corporations use it as a currency. A fall in the Tesla stock prices is not expected as of yet, as the company is working to introduce full self-driving in a much refined form for day-to-day use. This will only increase its stock prices. Keeping in mind Elon Musk's history with the Security Exchange Commission, there could be an extensive investigation into the purchase of the Bitcoins. According to Doug Davidson, who was a branch chief for the Securities and Exchange Commission's Division of Enforcement, Tesla has made the Bitcoin investment sometime in January of 2021, but is yet to specify when exactly. What makes all this suspicious is that this is the period which is the same in which Elon Musk made a series of tweets and put a Bitcoin hashtag on his Twitter bio. This could have led to manipulations of the market, as there was clear appreciation in the value of Bitcoins at the same time. The timing of all these events is what makes sense for the Security Exchange Commission to launch a probe into the actions of Tesla. This is not the first time Elon Musk's views have heavily influenced the market. This has also been seen in the price hikes of Dogecoins and Signal Advance Incorporated. Both of their values increased when Musk tweeted about them, and Signal Advance Incorporated stock price rose by a whopping 11,700%. The same case could be the reality for market manipulation of Bitcoin that has gone up above $46,000 in price. There are also many naysayers to the Bitcoin purchase. Michael Burry, who is a well-known investor, shared his pessimistic views in a series of deleted tweets. He claimed that those who are happy with the 700% rise in stock price would be saddened soon as Tesla is in deep trouble in China. According to him, the whole Bitcoin purchase is just a gimmick to deflect the attention of the fact that Tesla is going to face some serious issues in the Chinese market, which will then inversely affect the stock prices of Tesla. The State Administration for Market Regulation and 4 other regulatory authorities in China have summoned Tesla and addressed their concerns, some of which are battery fires and unexplainable acceleration in the vehicles. A case made it to many news outlets that a Tesla Model 3 caught fire while it was parked in a garage. Upon investigation carried out by Tesla, it has been shown that Model 3 did have a damaged battery and undercarriage. Tesla has responded to all the concerns and admitted their shortcomings. A statement from the company claimed that they would use the help and guidance of professionals to abide by all the Chinese rules and regulations. Things are not going all that bad for Tesla in China, as they have got 5 stars in the health index, and Tesla is the most recommended car in China. This is based on their interior quality. It is the second year when Tesla has received the title. The first was in 2019. The results are based on electromagnetic radiation in the interior, VOCs, and odor intensity for the Model 3. Innovation done by Tesla in all these elements has led them to achieve this. Synthetic animal-friendly materials have been used for the interior instead of traditional cotton and animal leather. Making these traditional products on the industrial scale also produces environmental deteriorating gases such as formaldehyde. The air inside the cabin of the Model 3 is also made much healthier and safer with the help of a bioweapon defense mode and HEPA filter. This feature is an important one given the dangers of the present times as well as the overall air quality in China. The award and the title have been given for the Made in China Model 3 Standard Range Plus produced at the Shanghai Giga factory. As the Model Y is also going to be mass-produced this year, there are chances that it may take the title from the Model 3 next year. Luxury interior items that were once thought to be of much higher value do not have their reputation in the current times, where the consumers have become environmentally conscious. There is a lot of good news coming for Tesla from Germany, as they have legalized the use of Level 4 autonomous vehicles and buses in the specified areas and zones. The country is aiming to become the first nation in the world to welcome autonomous driving with open arms. The law was passed for the whole nation on Wednesday. Companies like Tesla will take the full advantage of this and let full self-driving be used on German public roads. However, a human passenger will always be needed inside the car to make sure human interference is there whenever it is actually required. The stance of the Germans is the one that is very much aligned with that of Elon Musk himself. According to Andreas Scheuer, this innovative step will not only increase vehicle productivity but also its safety. Cars that can drive themselves and transport people will save time. Cars that do not have to be piloted by a human will be much safer, as humans are prone to distractions and tiredness. This is a clear win for Tesla, as they will face no opposition in using the full self-driving in Germany. As Germany is a very industry-oriented nation, there is a big bright future for other applications of the full self-driving, such as the robotaxi by Tesla. Fleets of vehicles transporting workers from one place to another efficiently will be a valuable thing for Germany. Elon Musk is very confident of the quality of the full self-driving, claiming that not only is it designed to protect the vehicle itself, but also all the others present on the road. Sandy Munro, a notorious Tesla critic, in a road trip with full self-driving on, noticed that it does work completely fine unless it finds faulty road marking where it has a little bit of difficulty. This is not the case in inner city streets where road marking is not much well defined and the traffic is also quite reckless. A proof of full self-driving working just fine in inner city streets was posted quite recently by a YouTuber and Tesla enthusiast AR driver, in which a very interesting scenario was seen. A Model S was on full self-driving when it came across an intersection and moved on the green. What happened next was that some skateboarders came in front of it and behaved quite recklessly. This unforeseen scenario could have baffled any human driver, but the autopilot system handled it quite nicely. The car slowed down as it approached the skateboarders and then stopped to let them pass. 2021 is the year in which Tesla hopes to use the full self-driving technology on a large scale, and things seem to be going quite well. A video has been circulating over the internet where a Tesla vehicle crashed into a trailer on a freeway while running on autopilot. That event left many people skeptic about trusting the car to drive by itself. Things have come a very long way from there and are now at a point where Tesla models can even save an oncoming skateboarder from a possible collision. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.